Hello guys, Game Week 5 is going to start this weekend. After a small international break, the games are back. So what an exciting Game Week 4 we have seen, full of goals and which reduced the confidence on the defenders this season. So last season defenders scored well, but this season starting itself, it seems defenders are taking a big hit. So before going to the game week predictions, so some important points we have to see. If you see here, West Brom, Burnley, Sheffield, Fulham are yet to win a match this season. So they are struggling to win, except that bright game of West Brom versus Chelsea, where West Brom drew. They haven't been able to take that form forward in the next match. Burnley, while they have been very conservative in terms of goals awarding, they could not score much and win matches. Sheffield, again their defense took a hit again this season. Fulham, that Leeds match where Leeds won 4-3, so that's one of the bright moment we can say, but they have been leaking goals as well. And then when you the guys who haven't lost, so the surprise package here, Aston Villa, they have performed beautifully, and they are yet to lose. And Everton, the Galactico Rodriguez is making a lot of difference here, and Calvert-Lewin has been scoring goal after goal. So these two guys are helping Everton move forward, and defense looks good as well comparatively. And then if you see the highest goals conceded, Liverpool sadly is on that side, considering the last game week where they lost badly and dropped down the top 3. And then Brighton also have been conceding. Manchester United unfortunately have been conceding a lot of goals, and West Brom and Fulham. So the guys, except Liverpool and Manchester United, I feel if there are opponents against West Brom, Fulham and Brighton this week, you can consider them again having Merry here. And then if you consider the teams who have scored more goals, actually Spurs, the deadly combo of Kane and Son looks doing well for Jose Mourinho. And then Leicester, Jamie Vardy here, and Enzo Perez also can come, James Maddison, and Aston Villa again, they have scored goals. Liverpool also scored goals. So Salah, you can see, Salah is a kind of guy where you can think of keeping him a captain and then sleeping the whole season without changing the captain. So just keep him and get shut the captaincy option forever. So that kind of option is definitely there. He would score the highest goals and definitely a competitor of Golden Boot every season. So that's where the captaincy options come in. Now coming to the predictions. So this is game week 5, sorry there's a typo here. So Chelsea and Southampton have been leaking goals, and then again Chelsea could be winning this match comfortably. They badly want to win this and move to the top half of the table, and then in the sense top 5 I mean to say. And then Everton and Liverpool, this is the most interesting match this weekend. Everton has been on a high. Liverpool, after that bad loss last game week, want to bounce back, but we predict this could be a draw, because Everton at any cost don't want to miss the top of the table position. And then Brighton and Crystal Palace, this could be a dull game without any games, but again Crystal Palace could come on the top, considering they have done well in defense. Aston Villa Leicester, this is again an interesting match. Aston Villa yet to lose. Leicester lost against West Ham 3-0, so that's a bad loss for them. And then this again could be an interesting match, but we feel Leicester could come on the top here again. West Brom, Burnley, Burnley, they don't give any goals. Pope at the goal front is one of the best goalkeepers, we can say, considering his performance. So here Burnley again can come on the top, and then they could come out of that losing streak. And coming to Manchester City and Arsenal, this is another superb game, which could be attack on attack kind of game, where we predict it is 1-1, because both want to do defensively well, don't want to give away goals. So everyone wants to be on their half and keep the possession. So considering that scenario, and considering that Aubameyang haven't been scoring goals, where he has been one among those most transferred out guys this week also. So here this could be one roadblock. And so this again, we predict that it is a draw, which is not good for Manchester City definitely, and their title hopes this season. And West Ham Spurs, so in spite of West Ham winning against Leicester City, we feel Spurs, after their uneven start, have been scoring a lot of goals, and again here they could be winning against West Ham here comfortably. And then Sheffield Fulham, so Fulham leaks goals, Sheffield holds lot of strikers and holds up lot of strikers and doesn't give away goals too much. So here it could be another dull match. Fulham would like to attack, but we guess it could be 1-0 here. And Newcastle versus Manchester United would be desperate to win, like the Manchester City and Chelsea, which we were talking about. So here they could come on the top with Bruno Fernandes. We are predicting Bruno Fernandes on the chat score sheet. While Martial is injured, Rashford also can have some chances, with Greenwood coming into picture as well. And coming to Leeds versus Wolves, who doesn't like Leeds game this season? Wow, I always enjoyed all the games which Leeds played, and again this could be one entertaining match, we feel, where again Leeds can come on top this time. So here, if you see at the bottom, Manchester City and Manchester United are at 14th and 16th position after the game week, while they have a game in hand, but considering their position, they wanted to move up, and you can see goals being scored in their matches. And then moving to the top 5 captaincy options, considering how Everton and Spurs have been scoring goals, and how James Rodriguez is making a difference, the former Galactico, and Calvert-Lewin, who scored hat-trick already this season and is on a high and scoring goals regularly. These two are, even though they are playing against Liverpool, you can expect them to score goals, considering Liverpool conceding 7 goals would be like a sniffer for them, and they can score goals here. And then Son and Harry Kane definitely among this one would be could be captained, and they could reap you benefits. And the go-to penalty man for Manchester United, Bruno Fernandes, could be another option, as they are playing Newcastle. So these are the predictions and top 5 captaincy options, we feel. If you have any thoughts, if you don't agree with our options, please put up a comment, give your suggestions, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.